Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the service, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a closer look at PocketPills, an online pharmacy service available at PocketPills.com. This platform offers a convenient way to manage and receive your medications, promising a streamlined and personalized approach to prescription refills and overall pharmacy care. PocketPills aims to simplify the often cumbersome process of managing prescriptions. They offer free delivery, automatic refills, and online consultations with licensed pharmacists. This digital approach can be particularly appealing for those with busy schedules, mobility issues, or those who simply prefer the convenience of managing their medications online. The website itself, PocketPills.com, is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. It provides detailed information about their services, including how to transfer existing prescriptions, how to request new prescriptions, and how the delivery process works. They also emphasize their commitment to privacy and security, assuring users that their personal and medical information is protected. From what I've seen, PocketPills appears to offer a modern solution to traditional pharmacy services. The potential benefits of home delivery, automated refills, and online consultations are significant, especially for individuals who might struggle with traditional pharmacy access. However, as with any online service, it's essential to do your own research and ensure it aligns with your specific needs and preferences. Remember, this is just my experience, and I encourage you to explore PocketPills.com further to see if it's the right fit for you. Be sure to check out the link in the description below. And, as always, thanks for watching.